from South Detroit came for singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Go too fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but pay so much, don't pay yourself. I'm not the one, but you can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you're with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged spend, yeah. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy with side of top think he mocking, and I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. He bossy, ooh, he crip walking to me, just lost in it. He slammed me on the way that guy. No problem, he too back in me, about all that action go. We miss to handle it. You know I'm hella different from them shit, cause you been tricking on. Don't be a ride or die. You thug is wrong, it's wrong. If you're going good in every hood, you get fed up on the backwards. I was trying to show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from South, the some working, walking.
Baby, what you wanna do tonight? Fire, it's about time here. Cause you nasty, babe. You do everything I like, babe. Love it with me, baby. Open my third eye.
Hey y'all, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Danielle. If this is your very first time here, and as y'all saw, I just went to the gym. It was upper body day, so I did, I think, a total of 6 exercises. Y'all saw them all. Hopefully they were labeled so you were able to see what it was called and how many sets and reps I did of each exercise. Honestly, I do four sets of 10 reps for pretty much every exercise I do, so that doesn't really change much. But in addition to me sharing my workout, this video is going to be a what I eat in a day. I'm going to try to hit 160 grams of protein today. I'm already pretty high in calories just from my coffee because I ended up I had about this much of my 7 brew left, so that means I got a lot more cream and sugar in my coffee than I normally would. I just poured my protein coffee into here with that just because I didn't want it to go to waste. So I don't know exact amounts, but I'm between 35 and 40 grams of protein in the coffee. Probably about 35, 36. And now I'm picking up my Walmart grocery order because I'm cooking a pork roast for dinner. We're going to do like a pulled pork sandwiches with coleslaw. So yeah, I'll show y'all everything that I eat today: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also snacks. And I think that's it. So yeah, I'm just letting the people at Walmart know what spot I'm in so they know where to bring my groceries. And then I also need to run in Walmart real quick because I forgot to get coleslaw mix. I need the cabbage to make the coleslaw with. Hello.
What's the last name? Okay, where you want everything?
In the trunk, please. Thank you. Oh, shoot. All right, let's do a quick grocery haul. I got some chicken breast. We got, oh wait, you didn't bring the chicken thighs in? Can you go grab them?
Oh yeah, sure.
Please? And the napkins?
Yeah, I'll go grab them.
Thank you. Some rice. Mini chocolate chips. I'm gonna use some of these in my in my yogurt bowl that I'm gonna have in a minute because I'm starving. I'm not eating today. We got some tea bags for Bernie because he drinks tea every morning. He doesn't drink coffee regularly. He drinks tea regularly, coffee every now and then. 2 bottles of soy sauce, low sodium because we're gonna have, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, done.
We're gonna have some like Asian meals this week. Also got some gochujang
What's for dinner?
sauce, not paste.
Yeah.
Napkins.
You know what I did last time you for
Chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And then I'm trying out this Chobani yogurt. This is my first time trying this. I like the ratio yogurt, which has 28 grams of protein per serving. This is 20 grams. So I'm gonna try this today. I'm not a big yogurt person, but I will eat it to like try to get my protein in. But like on a normal everyday basis, I don't really eat yogurt too often. It's not my favorite thing. It's not open. How can you smell it?
I smell the glass.
And then I ran in to get the coleslaw mix, as y'all saw, because I need to get the pork roast seasoned up and into the oven.
I'm gonna go yogurt.
I bought this yesterday at Sam's Club, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this into my Dutch oven.
We have a Dutch oven. What oven is that?
Whoa.
Cheese.
First, I'm gonna work on this.
Chicken. Chicken.
Orange chicken, yeah.
Can you make them? I guess I'll see if
Make it.
and I'll see if someone will help me make it in the like last time. I got myself a bowl. Do you want me to grab you a bowl? Or do you want to have yourself a bowl?
Here.
I'll grab another bowl.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Want to try it?
yeah.
It's good? Tell me how much you want. Is that enough?
Just let it to cover the whole thing.
Let me spread this out, or
Yeah.
you want?
Spread
Is
it
that
out.
enough?
That's enough. Just put a little bit more. That's good.
Okay. I'm gonna do one serving. I just need to measure mine. Oh
Chocolate
shoot, batteries are
chips.
low. God dang it. Serving. 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna eyeball it.
We need scissors to oh, the chocolate chips.
All right.
That's good.
I'm gonna do some strawberries and a few chocolate chips.
Oh, that's me. Okay. We gotta find the scissors. So we can have chocolate chip and have a meatball that will have it. Even though it's not gonna be.
Did you finish your work?
I couldn't have a headache.
But you can be on YouTube? Be for real. Bernie made some granola yesterday, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here too.
Why calling it granola?
What?
Why calling it granola? It's pronounced granola.
I said granola.
You said granola. Granola and granola are different. So I just say granola. That yours? Yeah, that was fine.
Did you think that people think the raptor is something?
It's the raptor. Something biblical.
Yeah. Like, the second coming of Jesus Christ or something.
Say that every 20 years.
They say, literally. Didn't they say it in like 2000 when the world came in?
Yep. Watika.
Yeah, so exactly.
Okay, here's how it looks straight out of the oven. I'm gonna get it out of here because there's a ton of fat in the bottom. It kind of drained off and I don't want that in my food. Like, I don't want to eat that, so I'm gonna take it out and get this fat cap off the top, and then we'll shred the rest of it. I figured it would be falling apart, and it is. So let's take off all this fat. I'm just gonna throw that away. Falling apart, y'all. This is gonna be so good. I don't even really have to shred it for real. Like, it's shredding itself. Where I messed up this time is that I was being lazy. Usually I'll like poke holes in the meat and then put the seasoning on it and rub it all through, like so it gets all through the meat. I didn't do that this time, and now it doesn't have that much flavor, so I'm gonna have to re-season it now that it's done. But first I gotta get it out this pot. I knew better than that. That was my fault. Don't do it like me. When you do it, if you make this, be sure to season it all over. Season the whole thing. And if you can poke holes in it, that helps. Because, oh man, like when I say it's falling apart, I can't even pick it up. It's better to, it's all fat. It's better to try to get the seasoning into the meat if you can, which y'all saw I did not do. And if I would have turned it upside down and seasoned it, that would have been fine because I would have been seasoning the meat, but I was actually seasoning the fat, which I'm now throwing away. So that wasn't very smart. That actually made no sense. Girl, get it together. That's what happens when you just really don't even want to be cooking. All right, I'm gonna finish shredding this up and then I'm gonna show y'all next steps. When I say this meat is tender, I mean it's tender. Tender. I think I had it in there for, what time I put it in? Like 12, somewhere between 12 and 12:30, and now it's 5. I cooked it on 350. And I cooked it like not on the middle rack, but like one below the middle rack. And it turned out perfectly fine.